guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I don't to prepare all this negativity on this Edo cyberspace. I don't to prepare negativity on this Edo cyberspace. So this time for Asa, now my business now, was got to separate the men from the boys. With no disrespect to any tribe, because I see some people being so stupid, so foolish, so idiotic, believing in lies as a big rich. With all my credentials, with everything I be for this cyberspace. One idiot, this one where he recorded to the world, you call life in my head. Some people call the writer for commenters, saying the truth. What a shameless people. What a shameless people. If I want to play an audio now, I will play it. I audio the boss my phone, but I will not even go there. It's not about an audio. But I want to tell her the truth. I'm giving her 2 days don't pass now. It just remains 5 fucking days. 5 fucking days. 5 fucking days. Now I give you pit toilet. Pit toilet, as you said, I used to be lie from both sides of your mouth. 5 fucking days I give her to you. Sound warning to you. And they give her to you. And they give her to you. 5 fucking days, if not. You go to get her hot like never before. You will get her hot. This time you want to come chi with one Igbo boy. You go chi and you get her water. For your lies, for this Edo cyberspace. I am coming out to say it loud and clear. That your lies, there must be a stop to it. Your lies. If you want to hit people, if you say if you talk truth, you go die like fly for Australia. Because I just a chi, they look at you. You want to make you get many casualties among your family. Is this what you want, pit toilet? I'm giving you a warning from this stable, from the home of equality and justice. You got to come out every lie you lie from my head. You come out, go talk am, say na lie. But if you not talk, I think by now you will people from your anything connected to you will collect. Anything will connect to you will they collect right now. I must promise you that I'm a man with soft heart. If I did talk before, I will say, I'll just look say maybe na saga, let it go. But as it is today, where that idiot will not reach, that idiot won't die. Mumu joy. Call it talk what is. I go beat you, I go beat Mumu joy, I go beat Ulala put together. For her to bring my wife picture come out, I go beat her like never before. I will take Ulala put for boot, take Ulala with my round. You go no say wisdom pass wisdom. Mumu joy don't know who Omofuma be. He just don't know who I am. She don't just know who I am. She dey play say maybe a normal saga. As it be today, I prepare for all of you. Any which way we're going to get it out. Brutal. If you not fit talk truth for saga, there's no business for you to be here. Once you do saga, talk and truth, get confirmation. I challenge you, pit toilet. 5 days I give you, just 5 days. Come with proof, say your pikin fuck you. If you're not come with proof, I will kill you. I will kill you. I will kill your papa. I'll kill your mama. I'll kill your mama for grave. I will kill everything about you. I'm not joking. Record this part. I'm recording. For the life of my head, you're going to see how brutal I can be. If I choose to. That's why I put you here. You must come out to debunk, and if you not debunk, bring proof Bring record, come and say, Omofuma, do, Andrew, not me, your papa fuck you. Make I use that word. Your papa fuck you. Bring proof and they challenge you. Picture like, without you don't bring proof. What I go do to your papa, your mama don't die. What I go do to, you know, so you don't love your papa before. And because of that, they free you. But as it is now, I got to deal with your papa. I'm going to deal with your papa right now. I've gotten everything about him. Everything about him. You don't love him. You have to come out. If you get some sympathy for the man, where fuck your mama, where born you, you got to come out. To come say, what you talk about remove my head now lie. If not, Ogida no go size your papa. Nowhere will do, nowhere go size her. Nowhere go fit accept her for planet Earth today. The pain and trouble they bring to that old man, you go see her. When it happen, they will say, you not bury your mama, then you cannot go back to bury your papa. When I will chase you, I don't plan everything, I don't finish. Now 5 days time, and they wait for 5 days time. Fucking 5 days. I need idiots, I need consequential fools, foolish pit toilet. After how many years for Europe? Cannot go back to Nigeria. See that they show picture, Igbo boy. What a shameless idiot that you are. You are a shameless idiot. A fucking shameless idiot. If I want to beat you from the hierarchy, I just digress because most of my audience here don't feel they understand if I go higher. What a shameless idiot that you are. You come here for scarf, come here double eyeglass, come here. Nothing you could have achieved for how many years where your story they're so ugly, so stupid. By your words, your mouth, Jerry was there. Okeke was there. Obazulu is here. What a useless human being that you are. Let us be realistic. We will talk truth. We will not say saga. Who is so ugly past for those cyberspace now? You, pit toilet. You don't talk about your mouth, say you not get value again. You don't finish. You don't saka. That boy where they put now, you take hat, take rubber, say now your boyfriend, he want just come tap, come collect. Because you now water resources, they tap, they will tap, they tap, they go run. Your tutu, they everywhere. Every corner for Facebook, it was up. Then you put gravity of life upon my head. You think something strong will happen to you. It's a shame. I never share. I refuse to share. I see why they beat you. Make I they beat you because you now be the genesis of this whole thing. And if that evil woman, that evil mumu joy, come talk and put, I go beat her joy too. I go beat her and join. Plus, I go beat her. Because that woman a useless woman, I swear. No matter what, I will summarize them, beat 2 of them together. And then we'll see action. Then we'll know who will be done. What a useless set of people. Very useless set of people. They come, they talk lies. On the do cyberspace, some fools go they comment, they follow idiots. What is wrong with the black people from my hands? What is fucking wrong with the black people? I have things to tackle right now, but I still can't beat you now first. You plus Mumu Mama Joy. Mumu Mama Joy, I not be your mate. I not be Lola mate. I not be your mate till you go die. Why they do this broadcast? They beat Ivie because the two I plan for Ivie, I be no one talk about social media. When your ugly mouth come talk say, now you not be you talker. Then let me give Ivie small injection, small make she reawoken from her slumber. Say she has gotten me to contend with. She has gotten me to contend with. Not be shoot bed my fly. I will strike you anytime. If it be anything I can do last, I will strike you, Pitolet. I will strike you. I don't even talk to you. I don't talk to you anymore. But something just prompt me up to say, make I tell you, say, as you think, say, you don't get a boyfriend now. Now we say husband, you're not married, you leave children. You leave children, you abandon 3 grown-up boys. Then you put life for man wey train pikin for small pikin grow up. Want to put stigma for that pikin head. Like you put stigma for your pikin head. Because it is on your head. You want to be it for us all. It's not going to be possible. Because you choose to put stigma for your children's head. You want to let it go to everybody. For me, that's where you met your Wahala. For my sake, you meet your Wahala. You met your doom. I will pursue you to eternity. I dey talk for Facebook. I dey talk any day, anytime. I will pursue you. I will pursue you. For Africa, you know go take me 50 naira. Even though they say no new note. You know go take me 50 naira to strike you for bongo. Not take me 50 naira because I am well connected. I know everybody, knowable. If not, I just dey pity your papa who born an evil child like you, wey come to Europe. After almost how many years, you know, if you buy ticket, go home. And now you go sample, the wear double eyeglass. The show man after your stories they for archives. We choose to put your story in the archives because you know rich. We know so you don't condemn. You don't condemn. You don't finish. You are done and already dead on arrival. That man where they with you is equally dead. It's just there to just get you. Let me share. Let me quickly share from here. I'm not rush this video. I will be here for the next how many hours I choose to be here. I want to pass the message across. Damn, pit toilets, evil people. Seriously, our people who not get sense, yeah? They will be looking up to you, say you be human being. Our people not get sense. You condemn how many years in Europe, nothing to show for it. Sitting down, one story to another, man. Now man you sample now. Now be your achievement. Now man be your achievement. After you abandon your 3 children, inside your husband house, you call men for midnight. What a shame. If anything can be classified as the biggest shame, there's an award to be given, they will put your name on top. What a wasted, dirty life. You waste your life. So say your sister will they cry for, will they fight for, your sister come say, you know what, make you fight for show me that one of the talk of what's up. You see your stigma, shame. Kutubale, shame, pit toilet. Your shame not good at all. Even as Satori get you, your shame not just good at all. Go throw sweet to a river. Now she tell you, go and throw sweet in the river. Go talk. There are sample men. You cannot stand with one man. No man go stay with you more than 2 days. Not even months. 2 days. What a shame and disgrace upon you. You call the talk the way people they talk. Men they talk, you can't talk, say you be human being. Create my dangers, my people. Just do something, yes. Do something. If this kind one, people they look. This one we don't die. We're supposed to commit or by ourselves. You go come, got the way double as a tongue face back at the age of a woman at the age of 40 something, nothing to show for it. You abandon your children. What is the beauty of a wife? Mothers, they appreciate their children. They don't let their children go. No great mother will let her children go. Any sane mother don't let her children go. They can kill anybody for their children. May I share this thing for another page before I go hit this pit toilet again. Great mothers, loving mothers, the great women. The great women of Africa, lovable mothers, they don't ever let their children go. They don't let their children go. Nobody, they can buy somebody for their children. The reason I love my wife, make I give this intro. My wife don't play with her daughter. She doesn't play with her daughter. She doesn't even play with my son. She doesn't play with my son. I see her as a quality woman that don't play with her own daughter, and equally she doesn't play with my son. The same love we give to our own daughter and I give to my son. That's the great reason I love my wife. Not be this ones who they born throw away. They don't even care. They don't care. You just say if what you talk na truth. My wife no come. My wife go there for CNN, BBC. They shout to the world. See what Omofuma do. He go now she go fight talk am. Not be say anybody go go for social media go talk. Now she go cry out. This is just a blackmailing tactics. But I want put to my head, I just a bit now small. Make una know say last time I think say na saga. As you not fit come mad, and they give you 5 days now. 5 days. Now they give you 5 days. You go come out to debunk your lies. If not, all those what they happen to you go be like film. Your papa will collect. Sweat will happen. Your papa will suffer put. I give you 5 days. After 5 days, your papa will be flogged in Ogida. After 5 days, your papa will be in jail in Ogida. I'm giving you that warning. You don't know who they talk now. They done that I said they talk. And they command you, say, come out. Even though you hate your papa, you go see your papa will be videoed on this those cyberspace. Seriously, I will video your papa. They will bring that to me. You got to come out and tell the world, say, you lie upon the one for my head. You got to come out. I'm a man of little words. I don't talk too much, but if I just talk, I talk. When I talk, if I say maybe I'll forgive later, I'll forgive. But this one now, no forgiveness. There's no forgiveness. You got to come out. You only got in 5 days to redeem yourself. If not, I will draw your papa come out for Edo cyberspace. I will draw your father out. I will, if need be, I will do something. Don't even bother to that area. You go to hide your papa. Your papa don't go beg monkey face money before. We know where your papa did. I don't say people when they go find your papa. They video for me every second, every minute. They video your papa for me every second, every minute. I've done that. So I'm giving you 5 days to come and debunk. If not, I will swear for you for Senegal. I will swear for you for India. I will swear for you for anywhere. I will tell you, say, I'm dogged, rugged, too tough for you. I can do what you can do. You can never try to do what I do. I'm the toughest. I'm too tougher than you. You just a free will to donate to boys. That's what you are. But you cannot be dogged and rugged like me. You can never be. So that being said, that being done, I think some people want to talk for this program. I think I get to them right now. Okay, contribute.
Hello, Uncle.
Beat
Yes.
beat Pitole for me.
So we see enter Navi.
Yeah, it's open. The program is on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Talk from here. Look at talk from here.
Okay, make I talk now.
Yeah, continue to talk from here. Hello. Wait, make I connect to my speaker first. That's what did happen to my speaker. Hold on, just hold on. Okay, let's not connect. Okay, continue my.
Alright, Uncle. I don't know how that picture if I don't get sense.
Now one idiot for you, frustrated, dejected fool in Austria.
You don't get sense. You don't see where person for the sleep with the picking. I mean, for the village, don't speak taboo.
Okay,
I don't know the person when they follow you. We know the person when they follow talk.
What can I ask you?
If I say no one to the end of the year, when we just enter year, no one just people enjoy the year at all. The person want go back.
What can I ask her for me? What can I ask her? This idiotic pit called life for my head. And I go use the greatest.
If I say Italy don't fit me, they won't come back to Nigeria.
No, not the Italy, now Austria she did. She not the Italy, she did Austria.
I just say that place not fit me again. I make Kuma come Nigeria, come stay. Not even a permanent resident for Nigeria here.
Obviously, she will come there, then she will collect water.
I'm telling you, make come stay Nigeria here. More than give a permanent resident here for Nigeria, make a young man remain for Nigeria, not even feel reach airport again.
You not go see airport. Airport will be something very far from
you not go see airport again. You know what see airport again. That's why don't do them.
Just they give her water. They give her.
That's all. Well, they give her like that. Let's say that place, the Austria where they not fit and make people come Nigeria, they create for her. You know where?
She dey sick. That will say she not where she's compact.
She's compact. Everybody sleep with the pikin. Imagine her name be pit toilet where everybody they dump refuse dump. So now she wants for another person name when person don't take time, yes, stay build. Imagine how person maybe not the same way when she sleep with her children, maybe not when they feel say you sleep with your own pikin. Imagine that kind of word.
So
it is as everybody as her name say be picture. See her face, her friend she not friend. How people they when they talk to her and say that's the way she did that place on tire. You know, come see the person where busy want talk to. You come say now you now you want talk to. You don't jam the one where pass and you don't eat waiting pass and this time.
Of course. It will just go.
Just as you want to spoil your name, now so the whole world go spoil and the whole world go condemn her. She don't condemn finish as she did. For even mentioning it at all, she don't condemn already. She can't talk with that one.
I just laugh. I not feel shout. I just can't shout. I just look at the
Hello? When you pit toilet, people they say, what do they call it? Pit toilet.
Pit toilet there for us.
The people wey talk as say, the when you don't stray for, when you don't bring home from how many years, you don't grow, you don't become big girl. And jealousy they worry all of them. But then you don't get people be like that. Now you want to take money for your name, maybe you take for your name for Italy.
Wait small.
You not go better for
My
am.
sister, wait small.
You not go better for am.
My sister, wait small.
Now,
My sister, they come from Nigeria. They find pit toilet. Pit toilet, you go collect water because this your matter. It don't too hot now.
You know go better for your family.
Yeah, that sister they call.
As the name be pit toilet, I think you go to the rub on your family. How person go train pikin finish, they call it. That if I say na for that, they will check that man no. Make they check am well. How better to make they go even calculate ourselves. Make they carry children they run from her. Because what they do, that's what the person they do now. They see mama they do. No woman castrate am.
Now woman, one idiotic woman wey run leave children. Go they donate to boys, they donate to men for Europe here.
I just be.
I think it was so for the.
You know for better for am. This kind of way they do so I say it's I say it's family go generation to generation. I say their name go dey spoil. You know go see good to do.
So that's my threat they go bury and put.
My people, my elder sister, they come from Nigeria, so the first daughter of my family is the one calling. So it is well. What else can I say? What else can I say? I could beat you now, water. I could beat you now, water. Because my elder sister, they see everything. Say, what is this? Pit toilet. Your doom is near. Your doom is near. My younger was they call. Your doom is near. There be women like you. They go beat you. They go naked you. For Benin, they go naked you. They go pull your head upside down. For this lie, I give you just 5 days. Not the bunker. What will happen to you? I come out to come talk to the world, say, I debunk lies. That lie is not in my tradition, not in my character, not in my person. I'm not that kind of person. I'm a man with a loving heart. I'm a person who be say I fit dash for money for street. Even though I adopt pikin, I get good heart. This evil heart when I get when they take between them or to pay back, not gonna pay on a mother. Not this everybody be. The evil, the hatred, what I get, not think everybody be. I'm not a product of human trafficking. I was a legitimate student in Nigeria. When I finished school, I went to government college. No, make I start from make I brief on a little bit again. I went to primary school, already been in primary school in Ipobahi. I went to government college. No, I went to Edo College in Benin. I went to St. Patrick's College because my father, they transfer from my Benin State. Then I went to government college Ugeli. From there, I went to College of Education Warri. After I finished my NCE, my 3 years, I got a direct admission to Delta State University Abaka, which I read history and international studies. I'm supposed to focus on politics now. They focus on obedience. But because of pit toilets, for lies, evil lies, I'm very competent, very good in politics. But I just choose to beat pit toilets more, beat Wunda Mamajo small. If she thinks she's mad, I have it all. I have it all. I can be able to give her small, but I'm not made to be that kind of idiotic stuff that she is made of. I'm not in that category. Wunda Mama Joy, I'll not be your category. I get great name to maintain. I get reputation to maintain. I good pass you. When it comes to competence of English, I have a good command of English pass you. What do you want to offer? repeating yourself all over and over again, not being dynamic, not being whatever. I laugh at this dispensation where the mom said we lost election, and I was hitting at you. I saw John Ibisuge. Let me come to John. I saw you. You came out to say I should leave this woman alone. I will not leave this Romajo alone. Neither will I leave Ivie alone. I will just hit them, and I will use this minute to say this is the last I will hit them. Not because they defeated me or whatever. I will just let them be for the now, but I will still hold them somewhere in my heart to pull them where they rightly belong to. I have greater issues to tackle. Picture that I'm Mama Joy, not rich. You show my wife picture for your program. They brought it to my notice. You show me, you screenshot me, show no business, no big deal. But if I screenshot you, ooh la la, double signboard, way big pass me 10 times. See Ibele big. Oh, Ibele, you said not get shame. You're supposed to be shame for all la la, Mama Joy. Make I just beat you small. You're supposed to be shame for all la la. But I will tell you, say you plus all la la will not reach. So let me work with it. My colleague, my comrade talk. Because I listen to a video. I listen to John. I listen to you. You nourish. Seriously, you nourish. You nourish a tip of the iceberg of my finger with the knowledge I get here. I get better things to talk about. You not just reach. To not be you waiting for bed. They shout, stay your day, stay your day, day your day, day your day, day your day. You not get away so much. You are so empty. Very empty. Day your day, day your day. I don't tell you the truth. Your patient went wrong. You don't have any reason to do that patient. That's why you met your Wahala. You met in your Wahala. So not be day your day. You do anyhow, I still give you. But I too big past you now. I too get sense past you. I too smooth. I too push. I too sound past you. You know standard. I too get level past you. Not be say shoot bed my fly. Damn. You dey see me? You dey see how they run my parole? My parole they run am. Men dey honor. Men dey lawyer. Men dey lawyer. People dey lawyer to me. And they hide my real life. And they show am. If I look and say, sometimes people will come and say, it's not important, I just delete the video. I say, no, this one not your good, make it come out. I'm a very organized, I'm a man of the society, man of the people. I dey flex. I dey drink, you know. I agree. I dey drink beer. I agree. Not be quiet. My teeth not brown. I dey brush teeth. I get brown teeth. Now nature. So what else you got in? Shoot your best bullet. I will dust and throw away. Shoot it, I will dust it, I will throw it. Your best bullet don't get anything to do with me. Because if you come to regret here, I will buy 100 people of your kind in a second. I promise you that. 100 people of your kind will go for it in a minute or a second. You mad? You may I begin to disclose. Shut up, you know rich. You never feel rich. I just say my sisters call to the program and they beat you. If my sisters catch you a Benin, they go tie you for new Benin, tie you plus all the lap put together. When you come to ruggedity, you go see rugged of the highest order. What you lala be native doctor? You go see whether a native doctor will see rugged. If you change ruggedity. Whether I turn ruggedity upside down. It's a fucking fake native doctor they cry. Fake native doctor. Fake. You go see ruggedity from Asaba, from Warri, Saple, Ugeli, all on the name of Omofuma. Who did they find? Ooh la la. Ooh la la wife is sort of Omofuma. Ooh la la will pay for it. That's the next step I will take for your head. You don't know about Omofuma. That's why you talk of Facebook, because you be hungry woman. Hungry woman. hungry idiots from the pit of hell. Come and subscribe. Come and press the love and like button. And they pray for now today. Let me pray for now. What has happened to your life before now? Why did you make your life perfect before now? If not perfect, what did happen to you before now? After one do trafficking finish and now you not get content. You don't have anything. What did they like your video for? What did they subscribe to your video for? Onto what? To sleep for bed? That's what they do. People or people of the world who subscribe to, sleeping on the bed, gossiping, repeating people's video, they analyze people's video. What is spectacular? I've been an untouchable way you create content by yourself. When they share untouchable videos, untouchable comedy video, they put your picture there. You are empty. You are fucking so empty. You're fucking so empty. I have to beat you because you're not rich. People are not rich. You're not rich. Because I just chill. I see people say I do some short videos. If people say I be working class man. And after they do video, when I dey work, I just do a small to tell them say I hear what they do. I hear what they do. And they work Monday to Saturday. When I cheat and they enjoy, I will just give them small words. Let me say I can't sit down, but for these two idiots, Pitolet and Mumu Mama Joy, we not feel rich. So I get your message, I see your message, I'm a comment to the call. My head full from my time to discuss at this particular point in time. I have a lot to offer today. But I have to put this idiot where they belong to. Not because I choose to do 1 minute, 2 minutes video, you came already castigate my video 1 minute. No, I pass messages say, at the see what they happen. Not because of saying, I cannot keep quiet. I just tell them, I see. If I choose to give them, I'll give them water. They don't wish. You don't feel rich. Better ideas. I don't even see anybody. Seriously, on those habits will get idea within my head today. Not there. I not see anybody. I must be frank and be very sound in my pronouncement. I not see anybody will get ideas within my head today. Not because I just do it 2 minutes, 5 minutes, I'll just talk. If I want to say, make a sit down, finish them, I will finish them. I made pronouncement about Peter Obi before now. 1 year ago, I told the world Peter Obi is going to be our next president. No matter what, I told the world. I mean, even draw mega comment say, mega comment, na lie. No, bring Tinubu come this matter. You got to support Peter Obi. It was me. I did it. So let nobody underestimate my prowess. Now, fools, maybe my page might be restricted. I know they get 200,000 views or whatever. My page is restricted, I know. So I pass them across. People they take them because I not come here saying I here I want for it. Anything with Facebook don't do for you, so be it. People they report the page every day, every second. Enemies they report the page.